Hey beauties, welcome back. Here again with another simple hairstyle and of course without adding any gel. The only thing I'm going to apply will be my coconut hair cream and my gloves water. Don't forget to support your girl by subscribing, like and share. Without wasting most of your time, thank you for coming around. Action.
Be patient. Everything in life will go exactly how it's supposed to go. At times you will feel like an outcast, that you don't fit in, but you will discover that being your own clique will be your strongest attribute. In life, you're going to face many challenges, many moments of adversity. There are going to be a lot of successes and some failures too. Those moments are going to create your character, build your integrity, and they will become your beauty marks. On your journey in life, you may hear a lot more no's than yeses, but you'll let those moments motivate you, and those that said no will eventually wish they would have said yes. And you will know that all is possible because of God's grace. I hope my journey can inspire anyone my music has ever touched. I also want to thank my fans for your support because you continue to inspire me. And to every girl listening out there, you will forever be empowered by knowing that no one, absolutely no one, can close the door that God has open for you.